the same as the first problem, but now instead of looking for this value, we're looking for this one. So the first step, as always, is to identify the equation we'll be using, and it's the same case since it's a parabola that's like this, and the vertex is 0. We know that's gonna be x squared for py, right? And then the second step, in this case where the p is not given, I mean the focus or the p, so it's the same as the first problem. We have to evaluate in a point that's already given. In this case, 48, 24. So if we evaluate 48 squared times 4p times 24, this, I recommend to just stop it at when you have 4p equals to something, because remember we're just replacing, right? So if I do that, 48 squared divided by 24 will give me 4p, and that equals to 96. Okay, this in a calculator is 96. So now we know that the equation for this particular parabola is 48, sorry. We know that this equation, the equation for this particular parabola, is going to be x squared equals to 96, because remember 96 equals to 4p, so whatever 4p is, we put 96 times y, right? Okay, so now as the third step is just to solve for b when x equals 72, right? So x equals 72, right? 96, and we'll solve for b, right? So if we do this, we get 72 squared divided by 96 equals to b, which equals to 54. And don't forget the units. So the units for this height, it's 54 meters. And yeah, so that's it. Remember, for this type of problems, you just have to figure out first the equation, then the value of p to put it in the equation of the particular parabola, and then just solve for certain variable, right? Okay,